Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to log an Instagram account on PC or laptop without mobile phone. If you're using any PC or any laptop and then you want to log in with your Instagram account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, or you can also install Instagram software on your PC. And here you just have to simply search for Instagram and open the first website from here. Now on this screen, you just have to enter your mobile number, your username or your email address, and then enter your Instagram account password here. So let's say I'm gonna enter my one. I'm going to enter my mail address here, and once I've entered your mail address and your password, you just have to click on this login option here. So just click on login. It will take some moments, and after that your account will be successfully logged into your PC. You can click on this save info to save your login info to your browser. And now once you have saved, whenever you want to log in using your Instagram account, you can easily log in without entering your username or your password. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.